how to withdraw money from your Coinbase to your bank account. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from Geek, and in today's video I will simply show you how you can withdraw money from your Coinbase account to your bank account. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to transfer money from your Coinbase to your bank account, first you have to add your bank account, which means to add a payment option. In order to do that, go to coinbase.com and then click on the settings tab. Once you go to coinbase.com, and once you go to settings, select the option called payment methods, and as you go to the payment methods option on the next specific page, choose the option called add a payment method. Once you choose add a payment method, you can simply select credit or debit card of your bank account. Once you enter it, just go ahead and then enter the amount or link your card over here. Once you link your card, your bank is also going to be linked in that way. Now after you link your bank, it's very easy. You can simply go ahead and tap on the continue button, which is at the bottom. Once you go ahead and then press the continue button, you'll be able to successfully withdraw you can select withdraw your money. So you can select portfolio from the left menu, select your local currency wallet. If you're in the US, it will be called US dollar. You will see the amount of money you have from different available cryptocurrencies, and select withdraw on the right and enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Now press and continue, and under standard withdrawal, select your bank account and then choose continue again. You will see a preview of the withdrawal, so just select the option called cash out now, and it may also take some business days until the withdrawal is complete. And that's all it takes to withdraw from Coinbase to bank account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.